Hello, my name is Gerry Lewy, and on this video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a graver, namely my favorite Onglette number 2 graver. I've already taken off, prior to this video, the end root of the blade. I'm just going to show you how I'm holding it in my fingers. The sound of the bench grinder may be overpowering my voice, but I'll talk a bit louder. What I'm doing here is mainly rough cutting it, rough shaping it I should say, to fit the wooden handle. I'm only going to use this handle just to hold the graver while I'm doing the actual cutting. What I'm going to be doing now is making a little groove on the side of the blade, and you'll be seeing it what I'm doing. I'm only going down maybe a half an inch on each side of the blade. I'm holding it against my left first finger as a tool rest. And I'm going to be making cuts. This will take about 7 to 8 minutes, but I won't spend all that time on the video. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm always dunking the blade into the water, because once I get the blade very warm, it's going to lose its tensile strength and become soft. So every 2 or 3 dabs on the wheel, I'm going to be watering it. Remember, my first graver I polished and ground when I was apprentice took me about a half an hour. Now I can do one graver in about 7 or 8 minutes. Yes, I've done a few thousand of them. And you can see a bit of a shape already coming to the blade. I apologize if it's not very accurate in showing it, but I'm going to be taking pictures of it and I'll post it on Orchid. This is tedious. This is very hard to do to the beginner. But once you get proficient at this, you're going to transform an Onglette graver into something of fantastic beauty. You can make bright cutting on all kinds of metal. And if you can see the shape, I'm getting a bit of a shape to it right now. I'm checking the camera as I'm speaking to you. So I really apologize if you can't really see up close. Does this take practice? Yes. Are you going to be burning some of the fun parts of the blade? It can happen, but you have to have a beaker of water beside you at all times. Keep that blade as cool as you can. Wear glasses. Wear glasses. Wear glasses. 3 times I can tell you that. Because if you need to have an MRI, they could ask you, have you been in contact with steel? And you say yes. So they will take an X-ray of your eyes to make sure that when they take an MRI, you won't have any particles of steel in your eyeball. Yes, I have done that too. I'm nearly completed my initial cuts. I can call this finished. I'm just checking with the camera, and you can see how it's getting to a nice little point. I'm very happy with this now. When I say happy, I got the shape. Then I'm going to use my emery paper, grade number 1, grade number 2. Then I'm going to swing into the polishing paper, 4.0 and 6.0 paper. That's equivalent to about a 600 grit and working up to about 800 grit. You will see the graver shape when I show you how